From Matane is a 3600 lumen, 2000 Kelvin for night light, 3000 to 6000, 6500 flush mount light, remote control. We're going to hang this up and show you what it's about. As we open up the package, remove the protection. This is the light fixture, remote control, battery is separate, 2 AAAs, the instruction guide, the fixture and bracket area that you simply twist off with the hardware inside, frosted white plastic, black round area that lights up all over. With the white bracket, run your lead, put through, and secure it down on your junction box. Center and lock. For hands-free, we have a leash. Lock it in. Your load and neutral slide into the AC and lock down. Secure your ground down. Push leads into the junction box, lift up, and start to rotate on by feeling for the locking mechanism. Once locked down, we're ready to turn the AC on. Turning the AC on for the first time, we have the light lit up. Low profile ceilings, laundry rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, kids' rooms, anywhere where you need to hang light. We have the remote control, and what we're going to do is show you what the remote is about. You have an on and off, a night light, a bright, a dim, a Kelvin change, 10%, schedule 50%. Turning off the light and on the light is pressing the on and off button. Pressing the button adjoining to it shows the night light on and off. Pressing on the 5D joystick brightens up the light in increments until it hits its brightest level and maxes out. That is the lumens. Left and right of the joystick changes the Kelvin temperature color to warm all the way to the cool side by pressing on the stick. Hitting in the center automatically changes the Kelvin, then stepless mode. Schedule will blink. Dim down to 10% automatically and 50%. Shutting the light off and placing on the night light. It is a golden color, 2000 Kelvin night light. It is adjustable. 10%, 50%, and increasing and decreasing the brightness level. And then you could turn it off and on the main light. I hope you enjoy your light if this is a light you are looking for your lighting needs. Change your Kelvins nice and bright, dim it down, increase the Kelvin and the lighting. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.